Hi, my name is Daniel, and today I will be demonstrating how to use Smart Forms in SharpCloud. Smart Forms are a plugin that has increased functionality over a normal form, and they can be used both to edit existing items and create new items. After watching this video, collaborators will know how to use them to edit or create items. I could use the arrows to flip through any of my items and do my editing, or I can come into the story, navigate to the form, and create a new item by selecting Add New Item. Here I can give it a name, add a description if I wish. The category has been set by default to be risks, and now I can add my risk information here. Once I've added in all the information, I can select Save, and now you can see that my test risk has been selected by the form and it's an item of its own, or I can also see that in my other risk view as well. That's how you go about creating and using smart forms in SharpCloud. For any additional questions, please refer to the SharpCloud knowledge base.